All right, everyone, let's go ahead and take a look at your first warning weather right now. We continue to see the cloud coverage across the area. Again, we had a front that came through early this morning that did help us out just a tad, giving us that nice, fresh feeling. But the clouds, they haven't broken apart completely. In a lot of areas, still seeing a lot of cloud coverage. In fact, I zoom out a bit more. You can see it's not only us within central Texas, but down in Houston along the Gulf Coast, and then all the way down into the Rio Grande Valley. But this is what I've been watching all morning long. Meteorologist Rich Siegel and I had been watching this line of storms that have been building up. Severe thunderstorm watches and warnings have been popping up all day long, including a few tornado warnings as well. So very interesting to see building up there. Current temperatures right now, 67 degrees right now. The winds coming in from the north at 5 to 10 miles per hour with every single camera that we have apparently. Here's a look at your next 18 hours. Temperatures at around 79 degrees by 5 p.m. By the time we get to 9 p.m., we're looking at 67 degrees. And then by the time we get to 3 a.m., we're looking at about 58 degrees with temperatures tonight looking like they're going to bottom out at around 58. So it'll be nice and fresh and cool overnight with winds coming in from the northeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. So when can we expect that next chance of rain? Well, unfortunately, we have to wait a few days, and also, unfortunately, that means the temperatures are also going to come up too. Winds are going to shift coming in from the south. That will at least give us some warmth one more time, but it may get just a tad warmer. By the time we get to Wednesday, 9:30, we could see a few showers that could build up and come in, but I don't expect too much on Wednesday itself. Here's the thing, though. Temperatures themselves are expected to move back up into the 90s. You heard me right. You don't need to adjust your volume. 92 degrees, which is well above, about 14 degrees above average, which is 78 for this time of year before we start to see a decrease one more time. So what we're going to be watching as we get into Wednesday and Thursday and Friday is the increase in moisture and stability, which will allow for us to see a few showers and thunderstorms, especially as we get out towards Friday and Saturday. The front comes in. It's going to become a stationary front. A low will swing by. All of that mixed in together gives us the chance of seeing showers and thunderstorms for Friday going into Saturday, especially Friday night going into Saturday itself. And then all day Saturday we could see showers. And as the front comes in, then we finally start to see some clearing out as we get out towards Sunday. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 85 Tuesday, 92 on Wednesday, and then back down Thursday into Friday with the rain chances increasing. And then a front Saturday into Sunday in the next half hour. I'll tell you how nice and cool it should be on Monday morning.